Hello, this project uses Microsoft's Custom Vision Cognitive Service to analyze a frame from the drone. I'm using the classification model to classify if a frame has fire or no fire. We move the drone to the top left position of the scene, and from there we scan the entire scene. At each position, we send the frame which is captured from the drone to Microsoft's Custom Vision service, and we get a prediction back. And this prediction is used whether to determine whether the fire is present inside the current image or not. As you can see, we are first configuring the code. So this is the key. We're getting the workspace. We select the scene ID over here. This code resets the drone to the top left position. Over here, we loop through all the possible positions in the scene, and we scan every possible position in the scene, and we generate predictions using Microsoft's Custom Vision Service API and use the prediction to score. So we are scrolling through every position, every possible position of the drone in the scene, and we send a prediction. We get a prediction from Microsoft Cognitive Service, and we submit the score for the fire based on a threshold. If there are no possible moves for the drone, the code stops execution and we end our run. Thank you.